Model, 64-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 100PS 290 front-wheel drive L2 timing chain snapped clean MOTED. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 114,696. MOT, the 27th of February 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, timing chain has snapped. Should be a nice simple straightforward repair job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 04